I'm a better interviewer.
It's really crazy what's happened, what water can do. And I mean, never in a million years would I imagined our house disappearing. Yeah, we just watched it and it kept flooding out the substation, and then it eventually started eroding it out and it dropped off. Then it took the county shed out, and then it worked its way towards our house. And we started taking things out of our house as much as we could in the little amount of time we had. And then the house sat there for about a day, day and a half without much change, and then it dropped. They're hauling what they can out, like in case it disappears. At least we have some parts of the dam store left, so the inside. But we hope to get the dam store moved out. We've been working on that. It can be done. We've looked into that. We know that, but it's just too saturated now. We got to wait for things to dry out a little more so they can get their heavy equipment in there. Our neighborhood, we call it Paradise Valley, and it's just beautiful landscape. And it's going to get back to what it was. It's just going to take some time.
I'm the better interviewer.
I can't wait to see what it looks like when the water levels come down. It's going to be so much different. You know, I've lived here my whole life. I basically know every rock down there on the river from kayaking and fishing it and running down through there as kids, and everything's going to be changed. It'll work out. Everything will come back and hopefully be as better as it was, as good as it was, and we'll just have to see what happens. But you just gotta stay positive. You don't have to have the dam to have the dam store.